To use Canva templates effectively, start from the home page and click Create. Then choose your design type. This opens your workspace in the left panel. Go to the Design section and use the search bar to find templates with specific keywords. Once you select a template, you can customize all its elements. Replace any placeholder text and images with your own content. You can change the fonts, colors, and overall layout to match your brand. To mix elements from different templates, add a new page to your design. You can then copy an image or graphic from another template and paste it on your working page.